Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro folding drone with RC2 remote offers a remarkable blend of portability, advanced technology, and user-friendly features that cater to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 249 grams, this drone is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around without the need for cumbersome registration in many regions. Its compact design allows it to fold neatly, fitting into a small bag or backpack, which is perfect for travel photography or outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its impressive camera system. With a 48MP sensor and 4K video capabilities at 60 frames per second, it delivers stunning visuals that capture intricate details and vibrant colors. The drone's larger aperture and improved low-light performance ensure that even twilight shots come out beautifully. The integrated 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth footage, even in windy conditions. The RC2 remote control is another highlight of this package. With an integrated screen, it eliminates the need to connect to your smartphone, providing a more streamlined and distraction-free flying experience. The display is bright and clear, allowing for excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. The control range is impressive, reaching up to 12 kilometers, offering the freedom to explore vast landscapes without losing connection. User-friendly flight modes, such as focus track and quick shots, make it easy for beginners to capture professional quality footage. The intelligent obstacle sensing technology adds an additional layer of safety, allowing for confident flying in complex environments. Battery life is another commendable aspect, with up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, ensuring you can enjoy extended aerial adventures without frequent interruptions. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is an exceptional drone that balances high-quality performance with user-friendly features, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography game.